corn.
What's up, Scrapper? CC Scraps channel. So, U-Haul, yeah, stuff's in there already. I'm not going to open it up, but here it is. This is what's left of the shop. We're coming back for another trip here in a minute. But yeah, we got all the benches out. Welding cart still got to go. This shelf, the hammer wall workbench, my lights. But yeah, man, a lot of money was made in this shop. A lot of injuries, a lot of fun, a lot of sadness. This was a good workshop, but we're gonna move on to bigger and better things. That we are. All right, we'll see you at the other shop. Yeah. What's good, you guys? Here it is. This is empty. This is the shop, man. That's our linoleum. We're coming back for that, but look at, this is it. This is where all the, like the shelf was, all my tool wall. Over here. Around here was the shelving. This is where the hammer wall was. Right here. Let's do a pan 360. It's crazy, right? There's the rest of the stuff in the truck. Little bits of stuff here I gotta grab. There it is. 3 years of shop. All right, Scrappers, CC Scraps channel, welcome. Here it is. The shop is moved. There's nothing left over in the other place. But yeah, it's just, it was one hell of a move to move this workshop. Look at it. That's all it looks like. We had to throw it in here with a shovel, but it's all here. So now I just gotta do diligence and rearrange it and make it home. But yeah, it's been a long road, Scrappers. Again, sorry I lied to all y'all. I couldn't help it. I had to. I just want to make sure everything was written in stone for us before anything. But yeah, we're going to get the U-Haul back, get my truck over here, and call it a day. And I'm going to have a beer. A nice cold Modelo. CC Scraps, peace. Thanks for hanging out with me. All right, y'all. Actually, it is all in now. Look at that. Do you see electricity? I do. I'm so happy about it. But yeah, now here's the next leg of the project. Making this a workshop. We've got it all though, and here's all the junk that's going to the yard. Oh, wait a minute. Those aren't junk. That right there is not junk. And that's not junk. These are going to be for like when I do stuff with a vapor rust, I can stick the stuff in. These are stainless. These are from a bar, like when you pour beer. You know what I mean? You got your beer taps up here, and this is like the little drip trays and stuff for it. Yeah, those will come in handy. All right. It's over. New chapter of me and Mrs. CC Scraps life. Stay tuned. And next video, we'll be getting the shop squared away. Hopefully.